Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall QuickBooks Online browser cache for tax workflow. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Locate the settings or options menu in your browser. For Google Chrome, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner. For Firefox, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. For Microsoft Edge, click on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner. In the Settings menu, find the section labeled Privacy or Privacy and Security. Select the option that allows you to manage or clear your browsing data. You'll see various types of data that can be cleared, such as cookies and cached images. Ensure you check the box next to Cached Images and Files. You may also choose to clear cookies, but this may sign you out of websites. Review the time range option and select All Time for a complete cache removal. Once you've made your selections, click the button that says Clear Data or Clear Now. After the process is complete, close and reopen your browser. Next, navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Log in with your credentials to access your account. You should notice an improved performance in the tax workflow. This process ensures that any outdated browser cache no longer interferes with your QuickBooks Online experience. If you continue to experience issues, consider repeating this process or using a different browser. Regularly clearing your browser cache can help maintain optimal performance for QuickBooks Online. Now, you're all set to manage your tax workflow seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.